Hello Year 3s, today we're going to be looking at subtraction and we're going to be subtracting in columns like you've been practicing in class. So I'm going to show you how to do some. My first one is 746 take away 131. You can see the smaller number always goes underneath. When I'm subtracting in columns or adding in columns, I always start on the right hand side. So I'm going to start with this column here. 6 take away 1 is 5. My answer goes underneath here. 4 take away 3 is 1. My answer goes underneath. 7 take away 1 is 6. And my answer is 615. Now let's try this one over here. Now remember, I'm going to start on the right hand column over here. 4 take away 2 is 2. 8 take away 6 is also 2. That goes underneath. 9 take away 2 is 7. And that answer goes in the column underneath. My answer is 722. Now I've got some trickier ones I'm going to show you where we might have to exchange numbers or steal from the column next to us. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So I've got 641 take away 324. Now I start on this column over here. 1 take away 4. I can't do that because the second number is bigger than the number at the top. So I'm going to have to steal. Go to the next column and I steal 1. 4 take away 1 is 3. I put my new number at the top and I put the one I've stolen here. So you can see it's now changed my number. Now it's 11 take away 4, which I can do because the second number is smaller than the number at the top. 11 take away 4 is 7. Then I go to my next column, 3 take away 2. I can do that because the second number is smaller than the number at the top. 3 take away 2 is 1. I go to my final column, 6 take away 3. Again, I can do this because the second number is smaller than the number at the top. 6 take away 3 is 3. Let's try another one where we might have to carry. 8 take away 2. Now 2 is smaller than 8, so I can do this one. 8 take away 2 is 6. 2 take away 3. I'm going to have to steal now because 3 is bigger than 2, so I can't take it away. So I'm going to go to the next column and steal 1. If I take away 1 from 3, my answer is 2. And I put the one I've stolen in this column. So now it's not 2 take away 3, it's 12 take away 3, which I can do because 3 is smaller than 12. 12 take away 3 is 9. Then I go to my final column. Remember, I'm looking at my new number, not the one I've crossed out. 2 take away 1. Yep, I can do that because 1 is smaller than 2. 2 take away 1 is 1. If you want to have a go at some of these at home, you can pause the video in a second. Now this first activity, you won't need to carry on any of these, so you can practice the method without having to steal. Once you feel confident answering these questions, you can have a go at this set. Now in these subtraction questions, you will need to carry.